Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to get the MAC address of the network card on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type Windows PowerShell. Right click on it. Select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now in PowerShell command you just need to type get minus symbol net adapter get minus symbol net adapter guys. I just typed in. Just need to check whether you typed wrong or correct. Check it one time and press enter. Wait for it. And there we go guys, we get the MAC address over here. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.